foundation, I'm gonna be using the Tarte Amazonian Clay and then the NARS All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation. And so I'm using two because this one is actually a little bit darker for me. And this one, the Tarte one, is exactly my shade, but whenever I take flash photos and like it's really dark, so like literally at the club, and when you take flash photos, obviously my face just ends up looking super, super white. So my trick to kind of counteract that is that I use a slightly darker foundation and mix it with a foundation that matches my skin tone. So I'm gonna do like a 50-50 ratio. And I'm just gonna start putting that on my face. And obviously, because this is going out makeup, I want it to be full coverage. So packing on that makeup. But I'm not gonna look cake. Next, I'm going to highlight with the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. Okay, now I'm going to set that. Okay, moving on to brows, I'm going to be using the Face Shop Brow Lasting Powder and Pencil. I just think this is the most natural one, and I'm not the type of girl to, you know, have that like faded, perfect pointed brow. Okay, I think that's good enough. Now I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Brow Drama Gel and just go over my eyebrow and set that into place. And I like to make my front hair sticking up. Okay, so for the eyes, I'm not gonna go too crazy. I'm gonna try and stay, I think, with more mattes. My dress is like velvet pink, so I wanna keep my makeup looking pretty neutral, but obviously still have a smoky eye. So I think I'm gonna first start off with the Nude Tude palette from the Balm, and I'm gonna go right in with Serious, which is this color right here. It's just a matte black. And I'm gonna put that on the kind of bottom part of my lid. Obviously not my whole lid, but the lower part. And it's okay if it's messy, because we're gonna blend it out. I'm always like this when I go out. Like, I literally started getting ready at 5. But like, I just loved, like, I just like listened to music and like shower, and then all of a sudden an hour goes by and I'm like rushing at the end. Now I'm gonna go in with the next color, and I'm gonna go into the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, and I'm gonna be using Puree and Summer Yum. Yeah, I'm gonna mix those together and then smoke this out. And that's these two colors right here. Okay, now I'm just going to go in with Charmed, I'm Sure, which is this brown right at the bottom. And I'm going to deepen my crease with that color. The same brush, I'm just gonna go in the corner and just focus that color just to create some more definition. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with Puree and Summer Yum and just do the bottom lash line. Okay, I'm pretty much almost done with the eyes. I'm just going to add a little bit of highlight, put it in my inner corner. god, the eyes look good. Okay, I'm going in with the Ardell Dummy Lashes. They're my favorite ones. My go-to glue is the Duo, I dropped it, is the Duo Eyelash Adhesive. It's the clear white one, the blue bottle. In case you were wondering, which you probably were. Okay, these are the lashes. I did them off camera because I don't like it when there's people watching me do the lashes. But I think they look bomb. Okay, almost done, almost done, almost done. Now we're just going to contour and then blush and then lips, and then we'll be out of here hopefully because it's 6:45 and I haven't done my hair. Okay, contour, 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 contour. Blush, I'm using NARS's Orgasm. It's my favorite one. Highlight Golden State of Mind, Golden Eye for my head. And my highlight is popping. Okay, almost done. Now just the lips. For the lips, I'm gonna be using Brink from ColourPop. It's actually my everyday lipstick, but I just think it looks the best in pictures and with every makeup look. It's the perfect amount of pink and red, so I'm just gonna use this. Okay, and that is it for the makeup.